Okay, after a couple of weeks of working on the Griffin, I got something to show you. First of all, it's a different battery. I'm not going to tell you what kind, but that information will be coming soon. Different rear prop or rotor, and a few other secrets. But let's see how it flies now. After a little bit of QC. It's half throttle right now, and there's a breeze out. It's about a 5-mile-an-hour breeze, but you notice how I'm able to fly it right into the wind, no trouble. It's a completely different RC now. Flying with the wind, obviously, it's got a lot more power. But I'm able to make headway into a breeze. And I'm not flying 3 feet off the ground with no power. I'm flying, you know, up to 25, 30 feet up. You take a little care, you can make an RC work properly. Proper battery, proper rotor. Totally different RC. Now it's enjoyable. Thank you.